they're off and racing. Now, pretty good dispatch. Black Pirate and Havana Ray were amongst the best into stride. Aliana Till from the inside, just in behind them. Saint La Bomba and Bright Heart and Satirical Boy are starting to boot up out wide. So Havana Ray on the inside held the rails and the lead and led from Black Pirate, and then Saint La Bomba and Bright Heart together. Satirical Boy seemed to spear off the track there, but he's trying to recover, followed by Aliana Till. Bugaboo midfield, a length behind them, Fever Lane out 3 wide, then Australian Star Kukri, and last of all Still Fixer. Into the back they go, and Havana Ray led by a length. Black Pirate is second, Bright Heart still can't get in, it's out 3 wide. Back on the fence Saint La Bomba, and then came Satirical Boy going up in the middle now by the looks of it, followed by Aliana Till. Then came at the head of the others on the outside Bugaboo, followed by Australian Star, and further back as they travel up towards the 600 by Fever Lane. Kukri is second last, and at the rear is Still Fixer. It's Havana Ray from Black Pirate doing the chasing, and they're in advance of Saint La Bomba going up on the fence from Bright Heart. Aliana Till is sweating on a run coming to the turn. He's got a lap full of horse, but he's got nowhere to go at the moment. Coming into the straight, and Havana Ray led from a Satirical Boy moving up to join Saint La Bomba. Then the Bugaboo, Aliana Till trying to get out, followed by Australian Star, and Kukri's having trouble getting clear. Havana Ray in front with 100 to go. Led from Bugaboo, Kukri starting to get out late. Havana Ray's clinging onto the lead and beat Bugaboo. Now thirds between Kukri on the inside, Aliana Till, who didn't have a great deal of luck in Australian